Hi to you, Stella. It is me, Jesus Christ, speaking to this mouth for you. Stella, I love you, and I want you to be holy for more. Please keep on reading my words. I want you to distract the evil things in your life. Stop exercising that kind of exercise. I don't want to see it in your life. I want you to leave it. Please stop doing it. I am not happy to see it. I am not happy for you, Stella, because you keep on exercising that kind of exercise which is not mine. Stop, 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 stop. Be holy, for I am holy. Come back to me again. I repeat, draw closer to me again. Be humble. Give me your heart again. Leave that kind of sin. I say it a sin because it is not a holy thing. Please, Stella, remove that kind of exercise. Don't keep on practicing it. I want you to remember my words. I repeat, remove that kind of exercise. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.